Hi friends, good morning. This is Srikanth. Today I will explain about distinct DAX function in Power BI Desktop. See this here, this is distinct DAX function syntax. Distinct DAX function add column. Okay, let's check this DAX function in Power BI Desktop. See this here, I'm already imported some data. Okay, and next go to reports. Now I am clicking new measure, and now I am typing count rows. Okay, count rows means counts the number of rows in a table. Okay, next I'm adding distinct. Read this. Once you read this, returns a one column table that contains the distinct unique values in a column for a column argument or multiple columns with distinct unique combination of values for a table expression argument. Okay, let's take this DAX function. So now I'm adding financials, and next I'm adding on column name, table name, column name, close parenthesis. Okay, let's let's check this DAX function in Power BI Desktop. See this here. Now I'm selecting new code, and next I'm select measure. See this here, it's automatically counted distinct values. Okay, distinct means it's automatically removed duplicate values. Duplicate values means Canada. So it's automatically counted only one Canada. Okay, this is distinct DAX function in Power BI Desktop.